Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install the VirtualBox. First, to install the VirtualBox you will go to this website www.virtualbox.org, and from this screen you will click on Downloads, and then you will choose this version here, the Windows version. But here I have it already downloaded, so I will not click here. Let's see how the installation process will go. I'll click here on the VirtualBox. Of course, when you install it or you download it from the website, it will appear as this box here, and then you will press on Run. And from here, click Next, and Next, and Next, and then Yes, and then Install. And press here Yes. And after it's installed, you will click here on Finish. As you see, it did not take time at all to install the VirtualBox, and we will learn about the configuration of the VirtualBox in the next lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.